YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to preview your project in Figma. So guys, if you want to preview in the project in the Figma, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, here you see that I am load in a one project, then we will see it in a preview mode. Okay, so there is a two-way that preview, that if you are preview in a emulator, so you just go here and click here, and here you see that it shows www.proto.com web designing community. Here it shows your website which you are designed. So guys, here you see this is my bistro bills, this is my website, and this is my basically my prototype. Okay, if you want to see in the end another device like emulator like Android and other things, so you choose from. This is the way that you can preview your website. So here is the preview icon, so you just click here, and this is for on-screen preview. Okay, and if you want to check it into the present, so guys, here is the present preview. So this is the way that you can preview and present your project in Figma. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.